Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have another makeup look for you all, but this time I used all $1 products. So if you'd like to see how I created this look and which products I used, then just keep watching. So first, as you can see, I went ahead and already did my brows off camera, but I went ahead and used this e.l.f. brow cream in medium brown, which I found at Dollar Tree. Next, I'm going on to prime my eyelids, and I'm just using this e.l.f. glitter primer, which was also found at Dollar Tree. I normally like to use this for shimmery shadows or anything with glitter in it, of course, but it was the only $1 primer I had, so I went ahead and used it. It works great nonetheless. So next I'm just taking this LA Colors pressed powder in beige just to set the eyes. And I'm also taking a Wet n Wild eyeshadow brush that I also found at Dollar Tree. I'm just using that powder to set the entire lid. Next, taking another Wet n Wild brush, this is a blending brush, also from Dollar Tree. I'm going to take this LA Colors eyeshadow, and this is an all matte palette in the shade Calm, and I got this at Dollar Tree as well. I'm just going in with this light brown color for my transition into the crease. And this stuff is really pigmented. I was really surprised at the quality of this $1 palette. It's really awesome. So I'm just building up that color in the crease and smoking it out a little bit on both sides, of course. Now I will say that the brow cream that I used is a little dark for me. They also had a light brown, which I thought would have been too light, but as you can see, I went with what I had. Next, I am using another LA Colors palette in the shade Beauty, and I'm going in with this darker brown right into the crease as well, just to darken it up a little bit. And also just a little bit on the outer lid. Now they had, I think, about 6 different shades in these palettes, but I only grabbed these 2, and I kind of wish I grabbed more because of how great they are. So next I'm going in with this kind of mustardy, yellowish, brownish color, if that makes any sense. I'm just going in on top of those other colors just to blend them out a little bit more up into the brow bone. Okay, next I'm going back in with the Beauty palette with this maroon shimmer shade and packing that onto the lid, just focusing more on the outer lid. And this is another Wet n Wild brush that I found at Dollar Tree. Now I'm just using my finger just to pack that on a little more. Going back in with the first palette in Calm, I'm going in with this really dark brown. It's almost black, but it's just a dark brown, and I'm deepening that outer corner just a tad. Okay, now I'm going in with this e.l.f. Molten Liquid Shadow in Brushed Copper. This was also found at Dollar Tree, and as you can see, this stuff is really great and really pretty. I wish they had more shades at Dollar Tree. I think this was originally $3 to $5, So for $1, this is a great deal. So I'm just kind of doing half a cut crease with this, and I'm only taking it to the middle of my lid. Now going back in with the Beauty LA Colors palette, I'm taking that lightest shimmer shade and just packing that all over top of the e.l.f. liquid shadow just to set it. Now I'm going back in with the maroon shimmer color just to blend the two together a little better. And now I'm going in with this gold shimmer to blend those two colors together as well and to kind of make like a gradient effect. Okay, now I'm taking my Bolero facial wipes in vanilla cream and just cleaning up the edges so they're nice and sharp. Now I'm taking a Bonnie Bell liquid eyeliner in the color black. This was also found at Dollar Tree. It's a nice felt tip liner. And I'm just going to do a wing. Okay, now moving on to the face, I'm taking this L'Oreal Magic Perfecting Base as my primer. This is just a small kind of sample size of this. I found this at Dollar Tree sometime last year, I believe. So I'm just using this to prime my face. Next, I'm taking this Revlon Nearly Naked foundation in the shade Shell for my foundation, and I also found this at Dollar Tree. Now, this isn't something they have all the time, but you definitely want to check your Dollar Trees every now and again because they do get some really great brand name makeup products in. And the sponge I'm using is from Shop Miss A, and it is a great dupe for the Beauty Blender. Next, I'm taking this Just Color Waterproof Concealer from Shop Miss A. I believe this is in the shade Porcelain, and I'm just using this as my concealer and my highlighting concealer. And I'm just highlighting and concealing the usual spots under the eyes, the bridge of the nose, Cupid's bow, chin, and a little on my forehead. And I'm using that same sponge just to blend that out. Next, I'm taking this AOA Studio Perfect setting powder in Soft Light. This is from shopmissa.com. And so is this mini sponge. I'm just using that to set my under eyes and everywhere that I place the concealer. Next, I'm going back in with this LA Colors pressed powder in beige just to set the rest of my face, and I'm taking a Wet n Wild powder brush that I also found at Dollar Tree. And I'm also brushing away any of the excess setting powder. Next, I'm taking this Clean Color Tanned Raw bronzer in matte bronzer, and I'm just using this to bronze up my face. And I'm using a contour Wet n Wild brush that was found at Dollar Tree, and the bronzer was found at shopmissa.com. Now I know this is going to look a little harsh at first, but I promise I'm going to go back in and blend it out. But I do like to have my bronzer looking a little more noticeable. Gotta hide that double chin. Okay, now I just went back in with that LA Colors pressed powder and my powder brush, and I'm just softening up that bronzer just a tad so it's not as harsh. Now I'm just attempting to contour the nose. I'm still not the greatest at this, but practice makes perfect, so I'm using that same bronzer to do this, and a small little eyeshadow brush from Wet n Wild. Now I'm just taking some more of that AOA setting powder and baking the sides of my nose. Now Dollar Tree is great for blushes. These are all Beauty Benefits blushes that I have found at Dollar Tree. And I am taking this shade in Flamingo with an e.l.f. blush brush that was also found at Dollar Tree. Now back to the eyes, we're going to finish the under eyes. I'm going in with this Milani Shadow Eyes pencil in Charming Black into the waterline. And this was found at Dollar Tree. Back in with the Calm LA Colors palette, I'm going in with that brown and just blending out that black underneath the eyes. Now I'm going in with that darker brown and blending that in as well. Just focusing more on the outer corner. Now I'm going back in with this shimmery maroon and adding a touch of that to the bottom as well. Now I'm going in with this LA Colors highlight from Dollar Tree, and I'm just going to use this on my brow bone and on the inner corners. This is a really great highlight, and as you can see, you get a really large portion of it. Okay, so I've already curled my lashes, and I'm going in with this Bonnie Bell Fiber Mascara that was found at Dollar Tree, and just adding this to the top and bottom lashes. Now I will say I don't recommend this mascara. It was very dry. I don't know if I just got a bad tube of it, but I had to keep going back in and dipping it in, and I ended up just throwing it away when I was done this video because it was super dried out. But they do have a regular mascara, which I believe is better than this one. And they also have Wet n Wild mascaras and e.l.f. mascaras, so those are probably gonna be a lot better than this Bonnie Bell one. Now Dollar Tree also carries lashes. They have their own brand, but they also carry Wet n Wild lashes from time to time. So if you choose to wear lashes, then you could definitely buy your lashes at Dollar Tree as well. And Shop Miss A also has a great variety of lashes for $1. Okay, now I'm going in with this AOA Studio Baked Highlighter in Cream Puff. And this is going to be the highlighter for my cheeks. And I'm also going back in with another clean e.l.f. blush brush that was found at Dollar Tree to apply that. And as you can see, these highlighters are great, and they have a ton of different colors of these as well. But you definitely want to make sure you get through that top layer because they are baked. Once you get through that top layer, they are definitely a lot more pigmented. I'm just applying this to all the usual spots: the cheekbones, Cupid's bow, chin, middle of my forehead, and eventually down the bridge of my nose. Now I'm just dusting off that excess powder. Okay, now I'm going in with an AOA Wonder Matte Liquid Lipstick in the color Bombshell. This is from Shop Miss A. And these are great $1 matte lipsticks, you guys. And they have tons of colors, and I believe they just released like 6 to 7 brand new shades as well. So definitely check out that website. They have a lot of great products. Okay, and this is the finished look, you guys. I really hope you enjoyed this video. I just wanted to share with you that you don't need to spend a ton of money to create a really pretty makeup look. So I hope you guys enjoyed this kind of video. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And if you'd like to see more of these videos, let me know. Give me a thumbs up. Thank you all so much for watching, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye, guys.